everyone, welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how you can sign up for the IMO application, that is IMO. Now you need to first open the application that you have downloaded. Tap open the app. Right after you open the application, you will be directed to the home page, and on the home page you need to provide your phone number. Before that you will need to choose a country code. So tap on the country and there you choose the country. Then after you type in the number and then tap on tick mark. Is this number correct? Tap on OK. Now you will need to provide your name over here. Tap on tick mark on side. You will need to provide your avatar. Tap on the circle with the camera and from there you will need to either take a photo or you need to choose a profile picture from the photo gallery of yours. I'm gonna go with the album. Allow IMO to access photo, media and files on your device. Tap on allow. Select the picture. Tap on tick mark. To save this, you need to tap on tick mark on the top right again, and just with that you will be creating your IMO account. So this is how you can create an IMO account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.